Alright, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, well, today's the day. The water's boiling. I've committed. It's time for this. Yep. It's for real, folks. 3x spicy Buldak. Why am I doing this to myself? Because that's what you want. That's what you like. This one isn't going to get garnished. I'm just going to cook it up and show you how to cook it up exactly as per spec by the Samyang Food Corporation Company, place Tang of South Korea. I wish I could get this side to open up right. Let's see if I can get it on this one. I really don't want to waste any of these. These are kind of hard to find currently. I think they're only available in Australia, but then again, on this packaging, it has a lot of it in Thai. The outer pack was like heavily in Thai, so I don't know. Ooh, this might be working. This might work. Yes. I'm like, this is probably going to end up being one of my more popular reviews on the website, because I don't know, for some people, people really like the spicy stuff. The top 10 spicy list, the top 10 Korean list, the top 10 lists in general, the Samyang Buldak, the Field Guide to Buldak Bokamyeon. That one is like, or the definitive guide. That one is like possibly my most popular post. And it sorely needs an update, so I gotta get a hold of my people over at Samyang Foods and go, hey, can you give me some answers to about 50 gazillion questions, because I really like to get that all the info I can get for you on an update. So, now let's see. You're probably like, why are you doing this? Why aren't you cooking right now? Because although the water, come on. Because I'm going to scan this. Perfect. So not only will I have the outer wraps, the outer packaging from the big pack, the multi-pack, I'll have a scan of this too. I put it together into two pieces, blah, 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 blah. Anyways. So here is the noodle block. This goes for, what, 4 minutes? Come on. Come on already. Hot and spicy 3x spicy ramen. Oh, there it is. It's like ultra tiny. 5 minutes. Okay. That's all I needed to know, because I know the rest on this one. I just didn't have the time. So let's drop you in the boil. You're gonna get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Engage. There we go. And as usual, this is just a hotter version of the original. So we have a spicy sauce sachet and a sachet of flake, which generally is just seaweed and what do you call it? Sesame seeds. So what's going on for you? Did my walk this morning, blah blah blah. I've been working on doing circle time with the kids, and yesterday that didn't work out so well, but today it did. It did work out. I'm really happy about that. There's this hat. And yeah, so that was good. Even got Mimi raising her hand. I got like a couple decks of flashcards, so I thought I'd start out with that. Gotta get something going, because it's like, it's just been so long since he's been in school, and she's never been in school, and she's gonna get to go to the school she really wanted to, but not physically. So gotta get him used to this new routine. So yeah, man, I gotta tell you, I'm not really looking forward to doing this 3X. Mainly because I haven't done a mukbang, or I haven't done a Buldak, like a 2X, in a long time. And a 3X, that's gonna clean my clock. But the thing is that this is the spiciest one I have on hand that they sent. They also sent the challenge one, which is a cold noodle, which I'll do probably tomorrow. And then that'll be Thursday. And then on Friday, I'll do either the kimchi or the tomato pasta. And then next Monday, I'll do the other one, either the kimchi or the tomato pasta. So I'm gonna like run through these, starting with the hottest, going cooler. Just basically because I know once I have like the hottest of the hot, the rest won't bother me. The tolerance to this stuff is like really fast. So, but I know today is gonna be like the biggest uphill climb on tolerance I've done in a long time. So the way you cook this stuff is you boil it in 600 mils of water for 5 minutes. Then you drain it, but you need to save 8 spoons of water. On the packaging on this is even in English. What's a spoon? A spoon is 15 milligrams. Milliliters, rather, thank you. Sorry. And 15 times 8 is 120 milliliters. That's a half a cup, roughly. So I've got a baby bottle which has amounts graded in very small. Yeah, so this comes in really handy for doing that kind of measurement. But yeah, 120 milliliters. And then you drain it, you save that, you dump that back in, you dump all the sauce in, and you cook it on high you stir fry it for 30 seconds. So what I usually do is I let it get back to like bubbling and stuff, and then just like swizzle it around for 30 seconds, and then we're good. This is gonna be hard, but I will do it. I'm pretty committed on this one. I'll get through it. People have asked me, is there anything you prepare going into this stuff? Doing a spicy thing to prepare your gut. This time, yeah, I'm doing what do you call it? I had some graham crackers with a copious amount of manuka honey. That's supposed to be like a really good antioxidant or a probiotic kind of thing. Can't hurt. And the other thing is I'm gonna have like about a cup of what the kids have, and it's this probiotic Greek yogurt. I figured can't hurt. And then right before I start, I'll chug some kind of thin bubbly liquid. Basically that makes sure there's like no funk in your throat or anything, so you don't get the mean old hiccups, because that's the worst. Getting the hiccups while you have like the spiciest stuff ever in your mouth forget about it. You don't want that. Alright, so let's load this up with some liquids. $120. And a lot of people are like, why do you put so much? Why is there shouldn't be any liquid? It's like, there should. Right there. Where's the line? Oh, we got a ways to go. Yeah, so. Come on. Burning my fingers off. You know, this is not working. I'm going to use an alternate method. There we go. Just use this. Use it to overfill, and then... Oh, I just need a tiny bit more. Perfect. That is just... tiny, tiny, tiny. I want to get it exact. That is about as exact as I think it can be gotten. Alright, now we're going to drain this puppy. Drain that puppy! Fuego is right, sir. Draining it, dropping it back in, adding in this. So, if you weren't around for yesterday's show, you didn't know this, but my tripod that this camera's on is all jacked up. I ordered a new one, so it'll be here tomorrow. Prime, yo, prime. The sauce is about as red as can be. Oh, I turned the heat off. That sucks. Yeah. It'll get up to temp again in a moment. Alright. Yeah, only one review today for me, and that's this. No, I'm not tasting it right now. I'm leaving that for the mukbang. Somebody was saying something about how it's not mukbang, it's mukbang. It's like, no. Generally, those vowels are pronounced that way. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Works for me. It's crazy because this thing it's really loose. And that's why I got this tripod in the first place, because the thing I had it on before, I'd be like sitting there talking, all of a sudden it would just go boom. And now we have a glass countertop, or glass range top, which makes things a little freakier in that regard. Alright. Don't want to get this on anything other than where it needs to go. Oh my god, that's so much food! Ladies and gentlemen, there it is. Now, when I do a mukbang, I'm not like some people. I mean, hey, you can do anything the way you want to do it. The way I do it is I'll have something to drink beforehand, but during, no. Not like drink a glass of milk and have another bite. No. If I'm going to fail it, I'm going to fail it. If I'm not going to fail it, I'm going to do it with no assistance. And I'll fail it with no assistance either. Well, I guess the assistance of the product that's like burning my face off. But... and I know, there'll be some people like, dude, that stuff's not even hot. Alright. Alright, Rambo, whatever. You're the super king, whatever. Not even hot, dude. I don't know what you're talking about. Can't even taste it. I put it on my eyeballs, I couldn't even feel it. Alright. Well, it's time. I think this is the drill now, right? Yeah. Oh, we don't need a USB-C cable in it, do we? Not really. The new setup is going to be rad because it only goes up and down, it doesn't swivel, which I thought was going to be a good thing, but this will work better. Alright. Let's rotate-o before the fire. Alright, well, I'm gonna go do this horrible, horrible thing to myself, and keep an eye out. This will be coming out, what, the day you're seeing this is the day the mukbang will debut as well, so keep your eye out, and yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'd appreciate that. What I'm going through for you. Alright, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.
Todo era bonito cuando lo hacía contigo. Ahora te pido amor como si fuera un mendigo. Y para ser bien claro, que les pidan a Cupido y te traigan pica pica pa' tus supuestos amigos. Como quieras, y si quieres lo hacemos a tu manera. Y solitico nos dañamos el corazón. Duele bien cabrón, pero no importa, ya no vale la